Alright then, so earlier than expected, Samsung have finally dropped the event announcement of their next Note series device, and on top of that, Qualcomm have also dropped the official announcement of their new flagship SoC, the Snapdragon 865 Plus. Let's talk about why I'm excited for both. Yes, the 5th of August is when you'll be able to see the Note 20 series devices announced, and as we know, due to the current situation of 2020, it will be a virtual event. Now, since the channel started, I've basically had the ability to cover each of the Note devices, from the ill-fated Note 7, the Note 8, and also the Note 9. So I have a soft spot for these series of flagship devices, no doubt, from Samsung. Now, based on the teaser trailer for the event and the accidental leak on Samsung Russia's website of the Note 20, I am liking that squared off boxy design with the curves of the Note 20, and especially this new copper bronze color scheme and teased as well. Yeah, I'm feeling it, definitely. 2. Now, looking at the performance of the camera of the S20 Ultra, I really hope to see the return of dual pixel autofocus on the camera hardware sensor to really fix the issues of autofocus from the S20 Ultra camera. Now, being optimistic as well, but hopefully they'll be able to allow the ability to do quad high definition and 120 Hz at the same time, with screen brightness still maintained at a good place. Now let's move over to Qualcomm. They've announced the Snapdragon 865 Plus, which is their first Plus model high-end 5G system on a chip to hit the market, which also for the first time breaks through the 3 GHz barrier on their strongest prime cores at 3.1 GHz, which is very impressive. So what that basically means is you're going to be able to get up to 10% performance on the CPU and GPU with updated Bluetooth 5.2 and Wi-Fi 6E. So yeah, in simple terms, Qualcomm just want to make sure that they still have the crown for the fastest high-end system on a chip on Android still to this time around. Now, rumors do confirm that Samsung should be putting this in the Note 20, but oh man, you know, I have to say, most likely us guys in UK and in Europe will be having the Exynos version. Now, apparently it is an updated Exynos version, which is obviously the Exynos 992 versus the 990, but we need to wait to get this confirmed because we just won't know until the full details of what's actually in there is given out and how it's going to perform against its Snapdragon counterpart. But overall, performance wise, I hope and I expect them to go all out. You know, we're talking about things like 16 GB of RAM, larger 5,000 plus milliamp hour battery, you know, the fastest charging technology that they have available, you know, more than 45 watts or whatever, you know, who knows. But I feel like they're gonna go all out when it comes to performance, so that's to be expected. But it's a Note series for a reason. So the magic piece of the Note series has always been the S Pen. So what does that mean in terms of functional improvement and also what they're going to bring to the table? Well, the rumors are pointing, pun intended, to a new pointer mouse screen feature. And again, I don't know the full details yet of how that's going to be, you know, performing or how the feature is going to be done, but keeping the element of surprise and some form of excitement, which is very hard to do nowadays in the tech leaking space and whatnot. I want to make sure and see how is this feature going to be implemented, how legit is it. Overall, it's looking good for the Note 20 series, and I think they've even listened to the feedback of the S20 series and are scaling back on improving things that are really needed, not like focusing on crazy 100x zoom features and marketing. And hopefully we can see a bigger and a faster in-display fingerprint scanner as well. Honestly, we can go on and on. There can be so many things to expect, but generally I just wanted to have a quick fire one and pretty much say out, like, you know, this is what I'm expecting on a quick one from the Note 20 series. I'm really excited to see how it's going to play out. Let me know in the comment section below, you know, what your thoughts are on the Note 20 series coming up, the Unpacked event being a bit earlier than expected, and what you're expecting to see from it, man. So again, hey, Ben from Lover of Tech. If you enjoy videos like this, you know what to do. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you hit that notification bell so you're part of Team Tier Less, so you don't miss videos that are popped up. It's very important to do that. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. I hope you're safe during this time. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.